Hello friend, this is Swapnil Kohli. I welcomes you in my channel. Today I will tell you the syllabus of JK set of English literature. In this video we will discuss the syllabus of English literature, and in next upcoming video we will discuss the syllabus of journal paper 1, which is common for all the subjects. And in this video, as we know, there are three: paper 1, 2 and 3. First will be the paper 1, then paper 2, then paper 3. So we will discuss the syllabus of paper 2 and 3 of English literature. First syllabus, then sample questions some we will discuss, and I will be telling you answer also. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, so please do subscribe, please do share. And if you have any query, you can write on the comment box. And if you want the syllabus for other subjects, so you can also write on the comment box. And let's start the video. So first, we know in JK set what are the rules and regulation. Let's see that also. So there will be two question paper. How many question paper? Two question paper. It is for English literature, huh? Means for two question paper are subjective based, which is from your subject. Like my subject is English literature, so paper 2 and 3rd will be from English literature only. Okay. So part A and B. Paper 2 will cover 50 question. How many question? 50 objective question, which is multiple choice or match type. True, false, assertion, reasoning type. As we know what will be multiple choice, matching, true, false, assertion type, carrying 100 marks. So paper 2 will be of 100 marks. Okay. And paper 3 will have, and in paper 3 there will be two part, A and B. Paper 3A will have 10 short essay. So keep in mind, paper 3A will be their 10 short essay type question. So we have to write 300 words. We have to write the essay in 300 word, carry 16 mark for each. So in 10 question short 300 essay, which carry 16 mark for each. There will be one question with internal choice, means there will be choice between the question. Okay. And in paper 2, in paper 3 B, paper 2, you got it. Paper 2 is your multiple choice, and paper 3 there are two section A, which where we have to write the essay, and paper 3 will be compulsory, and there will be one question from each of the electives. So it is there we have to select it. Okay. The candidate will attempt only one question. Elective means where we have to select one questions, and only in 800 word, means we have to write this question in 800 word, carrying 40 marks. Okay. Total marks of paper 3 will be 200. Got it? So first see the paper. Second syllabus, so that is Chaucer to Shakespeare, then Jacobean to Restoration period, Augustan age, 18th century literature, then Romantic period, Victorian period, Modern period, Contemporary period, American and non-British literature, literary theory and criticism, rhetoric and prosody. So let's talk about the paper 3, which is core group, which is that one. Paper 3, this portion is the compulsory, where we have no choice. Okay. In this we have no choice, but in paper 3 we have choice. So let's see first paper 3, section A. In section A we have no choice, we have to do all this syllabus completely. But in paper 3B we have choice. Okay. Elective means optional. So paper 3A is your British literature from Chaucer to present age. First is British literature contemporary, means British literature to present day, and criticism, literary theory. So what does it cover? Literary theories are like literary comprehension, passage will be there, again up to Renaissance, Jacobean to Restoration, Augustan age, Romantic period, Victorian to pre-Raphaelites, Victorian and pre-Raphaelites, modern British literature, contemporary British literature, literary theory and criticism up to T.S. Eliot, and contemporary theories. Okay. So now paper third. Let's discuss the paper third. Elective, there are options. Okay. Elective 1 is history of English language, English language teaching. Then Second, European literature from classic age to 20th century. Indian writing in English and Indian literature in English translation. American and other non-British English literature, literary theory and criticism. So this is your syllabus. Paper 1, paper 1 is common for all, then paper 2, paper 3, A, section A and section B. Then we have some sample questions are here. So paper 2 sample question, see what is Sisyphus is a character in. So if you know the answer for it, so you can do comment and I'm also going to tell you the answer. It is the character in Dickens Hard Time. Okay, option B will be correct. Then we have question number second. We have to arrange in chronology order. So let's see what are the options here. Then we all know El Allegro will be the first. Then your El Allegro is written in 1645. Then Lamia 1819 by John Keats. Then we have Thyrsis 1865 by Matthew Arnold. And then we have your Lapis Lazuli, that is written by W.B. Yeats 1936. So I hope you got it this. Answer again I'm telling you El Allegro, Lamia, Thyrsis, Lapis Lazuli. Then we have question number 3. This is optional. The word beaded bubbles winking at the brim occur in. So that's occur in Ode to a Nightingale. Okay. Then paper third. These are though there we have to write essay, so not at all. You can see the question. I will, if you want the answer for it, you can write on the comment box. I will give you the answer also how to write the essay for JK set. And next, if you want a course for it, so you can do message me on my WhatsApp or I will share my Telegram link. Here you can message me on direct Telegram link for the course query. And if you have any query related to the paper, JK set, net paper, English literature, PhD entrance, so you can ask me in you can ask me from the direct Telegram link. I will put Telegram link where you can text me direct. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, and please do subscribe and share my video if you like it. Thank you, bye.